What's up, everyone? So today I'm doing a onesie snack pack with my friends, the Dog Park Crew Savages. We are having a onesie party and we're gonna try the Munchpak. So introduce yourselves, ladies. We'll go from left to right.
Well, my name is Annie. I don't know, what should I say?
Alright, that's good enough.
You're gonna be a terrible teacher. You gotta give specific instructions. Name.
Okay, she's Annie. What kind of dog do you have?
I have a boxer. And they're the cutest.
And his name?
Is Apollo.
Alright. Jen?
Hi, I'm Jen. I like to eat. I like snacks. I have two dogs. I have a corgi named Barry Allen, like the Flash, and I have a bulldog mix named Mia. She looks like a little tiger.
Alright. Last but not least.
Hi, I'm Alexa. I have a pit mix, and her name is Nala. She's the love of my life. And I'm so excited to start this Munchpak deal.
Alright, guys, we're gonna get at it. Sorry, I opened the box already. I have a snack pack from Munchpak. So open it up and let's go do a food review with these lovely ladies. We're having a onesie party. Everyone pick snack.
Yay! Snack time is my favorite
spicy.
time.
I like lemon.
I love this spicy
this one looks like Sour Patch.
Yeah, it does look like Sour Patch.
This one says friend.
Oh, it does?
Friend.
Very candy.
Whoa!
Oh, there's a lot.
Wait, hold on. This Pikachu candy.
I want to try this one.
What is it,
this?
Doraemon?
Oh, that's a cartoon also.
Is it Doraemon?
I think it's an anime. Yeah. Alright.
Okay, I guess I'll stick with candy.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this.
I'm gonna try these two.
Alright. Who wants to go first?
You start it off.
Alright, so I got this thing called Friend. It says blueberry candy. Boom. Let's open this up. See how it is. Oh, there's tiny individual wrap. I'll just throw it there. Look at that, that's cute. Damn, this hard to open. Alright.
It's a hard candy?
Yeah. Tastes like blueberry candy. It's good.
Yeah. It tastes like just like blueberry.
Not just like, but it's good. It's a good candy. I like these. Yeah. I'm gonna save this for the drive back tomorrow.
Oh.
We have a puppy trying to make an appearance.
We got me over here.
These are actually called risadas.
Oh, say it with the accent, girl.
Risadas. Mi pelo es rizado. It's curly. I guess it's called risadas because it's like
wavy.
It's wavy, so they're just trying to say kind of like wavy or curly or whatever. And I love lemons, so let's see. These are good. They taste like lemon chips, just regular lemon chips with a little bit of salt.
Oh, like a hint of salt.
Hint of salt.
Like salt.
Bam! They just sprinkled it in there. And it's really crunchy. I like it. I like crunchy chips. They're not soggy. You know? They're not soggy.
Oh yeah, they are nice and crunchy.
Little tiny.
Yeah, it has that, you know,
That feeling?
yeah.
Looks good.
It is good.
Okay, you wanna go?
Alright, so this is something that I cannot read because it's not in English, but the part that it says so hot with the chili pepper on it. So I think we can determine that it's gonna be so hot. Caliente.
I can't open it.
Okay.
I've been to the candy, it's sticking to my teeth.
It doesn't smell that spicy.
It doesn't smell spicy.
That's like dried pasta.
Hi, baby girl.
How is it?
Okay, so it's very crunchy
Hi, Bubba.
and it tastes sweet.
Sweet!
Really? No spicy?
Try this.
Oh, you have like a little hint after, but it's very sweet while the chewing process.
Yeah, there's no spice to that at all.
What does it smell like?
After you finish, it has like the smallest sliver of heat. Here's an.
I like it.
There's no note now.
There's this other Asian snack that tastes exactly like this.
There's not real any
It's when you
spice.
like swallow, it's a little spicy.
What?
Annie. No, the mosquito.
Is it mosquito or is it daddy long? That's daddy long legs.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, it's flying.
Okay.
You get it? No?
No, that's saying it.
Sorry.
That was funny. All right, Jen, you're up.
Okay. Excuse me. It's pretty good. It's like a slight kick to it.
And I was kind of sad it wasn't spicy.
Yeah.
Well, when you swallow it, it's a little spicy. You know, like
a little.
It's
Yeah.
like, what?
A little spice.
It's like putting like a half a drop of Tabasco on your tongue. Like,
So I have this I think it's
Pikachu.
Japanese, but it looks like it's soda pop or some type of candy. This Pikachu.
That looks too cute to open.
it does, right?
Yeah. Oh, well, you're getting eaten, Pikachu.
Oh, is it gum?
Oh, it's gum. Hey.
Chewing
candy. Duh. Duh. Do you mind? Can I just like...
Yeah, you just go at it.
Be a savage.
It's like Christmas
Yeah.
came early. Oh, you guys all want to try one?
All right.
Sure.
One piece for everyone.
Is it hard or soft?
Oh, they got. Oh, that's so cool.
I want Charmander.
Ah. I want Butterfree then.
Show all
So-
of them.
So
Yeah,
the
we have
gum
to show
inside the package, it has like pictures of all the Pokemon. Or some Pokemon.
This is so cool.
This reminds me of when I used to watch Pokemon.
I was joking. I
years
don't care.
ago.
I don't mind which one. Yes, it's a Charmander.
I got the Butterfree, Be Free, guys. I wonder if they all taste the same.
Oh.
yeah.
It's like...
You try it first.
Yeah.
This is your product.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells like Coke. Yeah, Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Oh, it does. I would have never even thought of smelling it.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I feel like it tastes like any other Coca-Cola candy.
Yeah, I don't dislike it. I've never had a Coca-Cola candy, so.
Me neither.
No? They have
Really?
Coca-Cola gummies. And
Yeah,
I love
it's so
those.
good.
So I love
So,
Coca-Cola.
I'm chewing on this.
I was still. I guess the swallow is not
I
gum.
swallowed it because it feels like candy.
Okay.
Not
Yeah.
gum.
Oh.
My bad. What were you gonna say? I interrupted you.
I don't know.
I was rude. My bad. Alright. I'm up again. I want to open these because this looks like Sour Patch candies. It says Sour Blockheads.
Boo-boo Adam.
So let's see. Can't open this. There we go.
This is very chewy.
Let's try two of them. Blue and red. Oh, it was a little harder to chew than Sour Patch.
Okay, stop that.
It's because of the weather or something? Is it stale? No, I'm kidding.
Tastes exactly like Sour Patch candy. It's good. Anyone? Oh, I got salt and Sour Patch in my nose.
Oh no.
Ugh.
I'm still chewing the Coke.
Oh yeah, it's definitely more chewy.
in here.
Tastes exactly like Sour Patch candy if you've ever had it.
And
I also think the sugar is more powdered.
Oh, maybe that's why it went up my nose.
Maybe.
But that's good.
Annie, you don't want to try it?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh,
Or whatever.
I want to your nose. I actually kind of think I like those more than Sour Patch.
I was not expecting that.
Yeah,
It has a really
more
the
sour.
other one. Yeah,
Make sure. But I think I like these more than Sour Patch.
but it's good.
it is good. All right, you up, girl?
I am. Okay. I don't know what this is called, but
That looks like Korean.
Yeah.
it looks like these little waffle things. You see?
Yeep.
Listen. It has honey on the photo. So it should be like a honey flavored waffle cone type thing.
Be my waffle mate, be
And
my
it's a cute
soulmate.
bag. Look, it's all pink and cute. Oh, it's cute. It is free, so.
I think I've had this before, actually. Yeah, I've definitely had
hard?
this before. Yeah.
It's hard.
That's what she said.
Crumbles easily.
Wait, you gotta open the. Oh, we can split
Try
this
it.
one. You want to split this one with me?
Yeah, I've had it before.
This is good. It's sweet, but it's not too sweet.
What's flavor.
It's kind of like the second
You want to
put
join
it-
in, buddy?
Wait, this is weird, but the second you put it in your mouth, kind of just like crumbles. I actually really like this.
I've had this before. I don't remember where, but oh, when I was in the airplane going, I forgot which one. Going to like Philippines.
You know?
There we go.
That's how you know you travel. You're well traveled.
I know this taste.
for
I just don't know from what.
It's kind of like coconutty.
I kind of feel like every Asian snack tastes the same in like different textures and like. But it's really good.
No, I like it. I like it.
That's like a buttery
eating that one
flavor.
later.
Yes.
All right, you up again, girl?
All right. So this is Cowtail's Crispy Moo. Appropriate. That's all I've been doing is eating.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
And it is a crispy rice with cowtail bites, utterly delicious. Actually, this Cowtail's brand was just at the gas station.
Yeah, I saw it. They had like a little stick.
It was meant to be.
Wait, is this an American snack?
Yeah.
So I've seen.
It was at the gas station.
Yeah. So I'm assuming it's Rice Krispie treat basically with their candy in it.
Oh, that looks good.
Yes.
Pass.
Yeah.
Yes.
Interesting.
Right.
So it's definitely a softer version of a Rice Krispie than real Rice Krispies.
What are you guys trying?
Cowtails.
The top is chewy.
You want to try
I don't know if I love this.
Oh, you have
He just took the whole thing.
It tastes a little weird, like milky.
Yeah.
No, thank
Yo,
you.
it does taste like a Rice Krispie.
I prefer Rice Krispies.
Yeah,
Sorry,
I don't-
Cowtail.
No.
I don't know, something about that sugary
milk.
part.
Extra
Yeah,
milk.
extra milk
Yeah.
is weird. Cowtail's thumbs down.
Yeah, sorry. You can send us more though and we'll try other products.
Jen, what you got there? You took all the cute stuff.
I don't know if this is. I think it's called Doraemon, but I know in Chinese I was told it's called Ding Dong.
Ding dong.
In Spanish, that's a very different kind of deal.
I don't know.
So Jen is going to let us know how her ding dong eating is.
Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Oh,
Oh.
my Ding Dong has flakes on it. I mean, spots on it.
You should get a check. I don't think ding dongs are supposed to have spots on it.
Oh, okay.
Just bite it. It's like a.
Was it hard?
You had to take it there. You had to
My
try it.
bad, my bad.
It's like corn chips, corn balls. The Filipino snack.
I'm not putting a ding dong in my mouth.
It's like corn balls from the Filipino snack. You know what I'm talking about?
Probably, yeah.
The Great American
Say
Alright.
your name.
hot dog sandwiches.
I can
The
smell it
flavor
from
is
here.
very strong.
like the corn flavor.
It's like I don't know how to explain.
Also the relish. Let's see. It's closed, so.
Whoa.
Wait, I didn't see this.
It's not. I don't dislike it.
Yeah.
It's just a lot. It's a lot of ding dongs.
It tastes like the corn balls.
I think I really like
I
that.
don't know if you guys know what
I gotta
sesame
try
oil
this.
tastes like.
I
when
like
it's in the
I
cookies
really
and
like that.
I like it.
Alright.
It's like a funky flavor, but it's like the more you eat it, the more.
Wait, let me.
Oh.
It's just very flavorful.
It tastes very something like at a Japanese restaurant you'd eat, like the flavor of it.
Ranch?
So, no, come here, you want to try it?
Kind of branchy. Yeah. Oh my god, that ramen chair
I like
scared
it.
me.
It kind of tastes like a ramen to me.
How about a ranchy ramen?
I don't know. We're stuck on this ding dong.
Just stuck on the ding dong. I've heard that one before.
Sorry? Yeah, everything feels good.
For me, it tastes kind of like a ramen that was
I like
formed
that.
into a chip of some sort.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I like it though.
All right. Random. Whatever this is. Ooh.
Haichu, different.
Pu chow.
What is that?
Pu chow. Whoa. It says gummy soft. Gummy soft candy. Alright. Kuchao. Oh.
Gummy sauce.
Damn it.
So at least we know it's not gum.
Yeah, candy.
It's only gummy.
Alright.
Treat it like a Christmas present.
I'm trying to
It's a mountain.
cut my nails, yo. It's not working.
You need help?
I got it. If anyone wants to.
Is it kind of like a Starburst?
Ooh.
Right for you.
Look at that.
Oh, it has a middle.
Right, yeah.
It has a
Good.
middle.
Like a center.
Wow.
For you. Sorry.
Very hard to chew. Wow.
Oh yeah.
But what's in the center? Can you tell?
It has the texture of a Twizzler.
Oh.
Have you ever had a mambo?
Wait, did you show them? how
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is just like a mambo, like the texture.
But it tastes good. I like it.
Yo.
I killed like 4 of those spiders.
Just don't eat in the back.
That was good. I liked it.
Yeah.
Just very hard texture though.
Made in Japan.
It's up again.
What is that?
I don't know.
That's a kitten.
Oh, there's such a cute cat on that one.
I don't like cats, so I'm sorry. I'm
That's
a
all
dog person.
Me too. I'm wearing a cat onesie, but this is what they had, so.
That looks like
Wait.
mouthwash.
That's, oh my god, it's
That's a peek
Ramune.
at- Yeah, I've had that before, so you
Ramune?
can definitely try
What
it.
is that?
How'd you say Ramune?
Yeah. Yo, that's like, I don't know how to open those though. Leave it to
You
Jen.
gotta
How do you open
put an
that?
arm and put a thumb to it, you know?
Girl, I just got my nails done. What are you talking about? Hold on.
Wow.
I've had that.
What, girl?
Come.
We're gonna fast forward to when it's open.
Maybe we should show them.
Oh yeah, to get
Oh, if you guys never had this, there's like a little plastic piece here on
Leave it to
top.
Jen.
You pop this out. Just like this, right?
Yo, can I have a chicken over there?
Huh? Turn this into a wet t-shirt.
But yes. Sorry.
That's alright, that's alright.
That's interesting. Wait, hold
It's
on.
not supposed to do that, but it squirted out.
It was probably
Squirt it off,
it
girl.
probably shook a little. Wait, so now what? I just
Drink it.
Just drink it.
So good.
Oh no. Wait. You gotta take this off first.
Oh, let them see the little crystal ball in there. Or
There's
whatever.
a crystal.
That is so interesting.
What does that do again? I forgot.
That's the bubbles.
Oh,
it creates.
it creates the fizz.
That's like every sushi.
Okay.
That is true. Oh, now you want
chewing
some?
on this pooch
I'm hungry. What do you guys got left?
No, right here, bud. But everything's in here. You want to try something
What is this?
because you weren't
new?
What is it though?
It doesn't have a strong flavor.
What? Alexa's up.
It's good, but it doesn't have like a strong flavor.
So this is called
Oh,
something that I don't. Oh, Korean candy Stone Age. There we go.
Oh, I love these.
You can have it.
You like it?
Sorry, wasn't that through.
What is
All
it?
right. Korean candy Stone Age. Oh, they're funny
sure
looking
though.
things. They look like
Magic.
dinosaur eggs.
Magic. But it's cane sugar.
Oh.
Cane sugar. I'm starving.
It's chocolate.
Oh?
Chocolate.
It's like the outside is like a little crunchy.
Not crazy in any way, but
I don't know if you can see them.
There you go.
But
Lime.
This will be cool for when I teach about rocks and minerals.
That's like the M&M's of Korea.
yeah, there you go. I like it.
That's the texture.
Can we do Bean Boozled?
Good.
I've done it.
I would like lie to them and be like, eat the rock.
I like that. It
So I
was-
would just eat a rock randomly
Spicy
and eat
sausage.
candy.
so you guys like that
Not
one?
at all.
Yeah.
Spicy at all.
Yo, these
Alright.
are like good Tony's.
The last one, look at this cute little kitty cat. They stole that image from the internet, I'm guessing.
Spicy.
That's not spicy at all.
Super sweet.
Yeah, that was weird.
When you swallow, it's kind of weird. When you swallow,
And it's like spicy. It's the back of
They,
your throat.
this comes with a little kitty cat card. Look at
Oh,
this.
Oh,
There's
wow,
this.
that's interesting.
And there's more on the back. I'm covering up the cute cats. So this feels like chocolate. We can each have a piece.
Watermelon. Watermelon.
I don't know if I always do try this.
Alright. Just, man, there's a lot of foil. What the hell? Oh, it's a little melty. It looks like a Nestle Crunch.
Yes. I
But,
love crunch.
yeah, see?
I'm so confused on what the
Oh, it's
has
melty.
to do with.
Totally Nestle Crunch. Yeah. Tastes like Nestle Crunch. I like Nestle Crunch.
I do.
And it's melty.
But it's more like milk chocolatey than less crunch, more Nestle.
Oh, there's a I need to scratch the door off.
Do we scratch it off?
Yeah, oh.
What is it?
Oh.
I don't know. Oh.
Oh, you rub your finger on it and it revealed a secret message that I don't know what it's saying.
Can anybody translate that?
It's not focusing on it either though. Does anyone know what this says?
No, like,
I'll take a picture and leave it in the corner so it's more clear. Please translate in the comments. Thank you. So this was the Munchpak snack box. And yeah, it was a good box. I like this.
So did I.
I like that. I usually don't like sweets, but
it's good, sweet.
yeah.
So
I like the ding dong. Like
The savory. You like
yeah,
the more
I like
savory.
That was actually one of my favorite things.
so it disappeared again.
nothing wrong with ding dongs.
Alright guys, thanks for watching and thank you to Munchpak for supplying the package.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Deuces.
Oh, I'm fixing my.
Oh, that's alright, I'll edit that part out. Tell me when everyone's good.
Good to go.
No.
No.
She gotta fix her fine apple.